This outstanding example of the 2012 Toyota RAV4 Sport is offered by Hertrick Toyota of Milford. This RAV4 Sport has a tough exterior complemented by a well-designed interior that offers all the comforts you crave. Simply put, this four-wheel drive Toyota is engineered with higher standards. Enjoy improved steering, superior acceleration, and increased stability and safety while driving this 4WD RAV4 Sport. A truly breathtaking example of pure vehicle design achievement. This is the vehicle of your dreams. More information about the 2012 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 straddles the line between compact and mid-size SUVs, but its price is more in line with its compact competitors, making it a good deal for those who want SUV capability, but space for the family. Its fuel economy is also enviable with the available 4-cylinder engine. The optional 269 horsepower V6 is very quick while still managing 27 mpg on the highway. Strengths of this model include 3-row seating available, safety features, fuel economy, fresh and styling, and roomy interior.